Here's a quick tour of the Planning Optimizer. The Planning Optimizer is the first document you'll complete for this engagement. Note that the organization type is mandatory to view the optimizer's content. If the organization type hasn't been set, a link to Cloud is available so you can add the missing information. Select the link to go to the Entity Properties page in Cloud and specify the organization type. Back at the Optimizer screen, the information automatically flows to the Optimizer, and you can now indicate the engagement type. Based on your responses, additional questions populate in the document. In addition to that, the set of documents that you'll need to complete the engagement, such as letters, checklists, reports, and financial statements, are also made available in the Document Manager. Additional optimizers may also be included to assist with planning for fieldwork or tax. In this example, selecting Compilation and Corporation Tax as your engagement type includes documents such as the 300 Compilation Engagement Letter, 300-Q Client Queries, and the 305 Compilation Engagement Document. Also, a workflow section is available with a link to the document you'll have to complete next. If you select Reviewing Corporation Tax as the engagement type, a different set of documents are included in the Document Manager. Select the light bulb icon to display the guidance area on the left pane. Guidance information is also available throughout the document. Thanks for watching.